Good noon, friends. My name is Anil Gupta, and I work in Ministry of Finance. I formed an NGO by the name Bharatiyam in 2007 with my schoolmate Mr. Srinivas Kotni under the able chairmanship of Shri K.J. Rao, who was former election observer and presently member of Supreme Court Monitoring Committee on Sealing Drive in Delhi. For last 2 3 years, I have been associated with Yamuna Cleaning Drive through Shri Rajiv Patel from Mission 100 Crore and Shri Ashok Upadhyay ji, who is called Yamuna Baba. So in the year 2019, we conducted an awareness program on the bridge from Lakshmi Nagar to ITO, where a human chain was formed and thousands of Delhiites joined the initiative. In 2020, in October, we created a project called Urban Forest Narela with the help of DDA Horticulture Narela as well as local RWAs, and we planted around 40 different varieties of 400 saplings, and a mini forest is in making where that barren land was used as a dumping ground. Followed by its success, we made Urban Forest Dwarka, another piece of 5 acre land, in association with DDA Horticulture Dwarka and local RWAs. And the financing part in this, both the projects, were done by my colleagues from Ministry of Finance, my batchmates of school from DTEA, and many other, people from all sections of the societies, many advocates, many doctors, many chartered accountants, teachers, and various other organizations. I'm really thankful to all of them for their continuing support and love. And now, uh, I had a phone conversation with Mr. Mamraj Soni from Alwar, who retired from Navbharat Times and is fond of Indian classical music. So he suggested to us that let us start a morning raga at Yamunaji, and I can bring top Indian classical artists for, without any charges. So I was mesmerized with the very concept because somewhere down my mind I wanted to promote Yamuna river banks, which are being neglected for quite long, and people do not come, although it's such a beautiful place. And I agreed to him and I shared this idea with my colleagues and friends in Bharatiyam and my office and contributors of Urban Forest, and all of them readily agreed. And now Ragas for Yamuna is being launched, and I'm glad to inform that its first edition is being organized at newly renovated Yamuna floodplains, courtesy Shri Ashokji, Director DDA, and the performances will be done by Shri Siddharth Banerjee, who is the inventor of Siddhavina, and Ustad Fateh Ali Khan Saab, who is the grandson of Ustad Bismillah Khan, Bharat Ratna, and the best Shehnai exponent at present in the country. And I want to acknowledge all the people who are involved in the process of organizing this event. Shri Ashok Upadhyay ji, Shri Achal Mittal, Shri Ashutosh Lohia, Mr. Srinivas Kotni, Mr. Pragyan, Mr. Rohan, Mr. Jagdish Sehgal, Mr. Sharath, RJ Sharath, RJ Sunita, Dr. Suresh Singhvi, Mr. Lamba. This is an unending list. And with this, I want to bring an end to my opening speech and request all the Delhiites to start coming to the beautiful Yamuna river banks and let us pledge not to pollute it further. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Good day.